welcome back. Are you doing well? I hope you are. Today we have the letter Lam. Lam. It is the equivalent of the English letter L. The sound is L, L, a softer sound than its English counterpart. L, L. To draw lam in the isolated form, we draw a vertical line downward, then make a curved line. Does it look like an umbrella stick? Let's draw another one. A vertical line downward and a curved line to the left. Come on, give it a try. And while you are drawing it, please pronounce the sound of lam. L, L. In the initial position, the curved line becomes a straight line, paving the way to the following letter. We draw the vertical line downward, then go left for the straight line. A vertical line downward, a straight line to the left. In the medial position, lam is almost the same. We only add a connecting segment coming from the preceding letter. We start from the connecting segment, then move the pen upward. And to draw it all in one stroke, we go down, then to the left. The connecting segment, up and down, then left. When lam comes in the final position, it restores its isolated form. In addition to a connecting segment coming from the preceding letter. We draw the connecting segment, then go up for the vertical line and back down to do the curved line. A connecting segment, up, then down to close the word with lam. Lam has a special feature. Sometimes it comes accompanied by alif. In this case, they merge to form a new shape. This is how they will look if they are preceded by another letter. There's a connecting segment coming from the preceding letter, and it continues into lam. An opened arm lam, welcoming alif to join in. We draw the connecting segment, go up and down, and before reaching the bottom, go left with a curved line. Then add a tilted alif. A connecting segment, then an opened arm lam and a tilted alif. When lam alif comes without a connecting segment, it looks like this. We draw lam in this form, then add a tilted alif, intersecting lam in the middle, and joining it at the bottom. We draw lam, then add a tilted alif, joining it at the bottom. Now, let's see all of these forms in some examples. In the initial position, the curved line becomes a straight line, paving the way to the following letter. In the medial position, it has the same shape of the initial position, in addition to a connecting segment coming from the preceding letter. In the final position, it takes the isolated form with a preceding connecting segment. In this example, lam took the shape of the initial position, although it's not at the beginning of the word. That's because it was preceded by a non-connecting letter, a letter that can't provide a connecting segment. Sometimes, when lam comes preceded by a non-connecting letter, it comes as well in a final position. So, it stands alone, taking the isolated form without a connecting segment. As for the pair Lām-Alif, it takes two shapes, one with a preceding connecting segment and totally another when it comes without a connecting segment. It seems that the connecting segment is the one to dictate which form to use. This is in standard writing. In some font styles, however, only one of these two forms is used, whether there is a connecting segment or not. As for your writing, you could either stick to the rule, one form when there is a connecting segment, and another when there is no connecting segment, or use this form, whether there's a preceding connecting segment or not. Although you wouldn't be following the rule, it is still acceptable, since it's commonly used in handwriting. So, all in all, there are 6 forms for lam, depending on its position in a word and whether it's accompanied by alif and preceded by a non-connecting letter or not. There is the initial position, the medial, final, Lām-Alif with a connecting segment, Lām-Alif without a connecting segment, and the isolated form. Please practice writing the 6 forms. You will find the writing sheet to help you with your practice on the link in the description box below. And remember to pronounce the sound of lam as you draw it. L, l,